Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is August the 22nd. As per usual, this is a series that will show you types and things you can expect to see from us here at Fort Worth Fabric Studio. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. That does it for this week. I want to thank you all so much for watching and keeping up with the series. As per usual, everything you saw in this video that I can find will be linked in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload, and we'll see you next week.